The ARES Armored Personnel Carrier, developed by General Dynamics UK, is a key component of the British Army's Advanced Reconnaissance Fleet. Built to replace the aging Spartan CVRT, the ARES is part of the Ajax family of armor vehicles, sharing a common platform that ensures high mobility, protection, and adaptability in modern battlefield scenarios. Designed specifically to meet the needs of reconnaissance units, the ARES play a vital role in transporting and supporting infantry troops while offering versatility across various mission profiles. The ARES APC is powered by the highly reliable MTU V8 199 TE21 diesel engine, producing 800 horsepower, paired with a rank 6-speed automatic transmission. This robust powertrain allows the vehicle to reach speeds up to 70 km per hour on roads and maintain agility across different terrains. Its advanced suspension system and drivetrain makes the ARES highly maneuverable in off-road conditions, ensuring it can traverse rugged landscapes, vital for fast-paced reconnaissance missions. The ARES is designed to carry a crew of 2, a driver and a commander, along with 6 fully equipped dismounted infantry soldiers. These troops can be swiftly deployed to conduct reconnaissance, patrol, or combat support roles, providing critical flexibility on the battlefield. While the ARES is not as heavily armed as the Ajax variants, it comes equipped with a Kongsberg Protector remote weapon station, typically armed with a 12.7mm heavy machine gun. Depending on the mission, the vehicle can also be fitted with a 7.62mm machine gun or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. The remote weapon station, enhanced by the detached line of sight system, allows the gunner to engage targets with precision even while the vehicle is in motion, making it effective in dynamic combat environments. The ARES also provides significant ballistic and mine protection for its crew and passengers, shielding them from small arms fire, IEDs, and other battlefield hazards. Its modular armor system can be upgraded to counter specific threats, making it adaptable to various combat environments. Additional protection features include acoustic detectors, a laser warning system, and a mobile camouflage system, all of which enhance its survivability on modern battlefields. The ARES is designed with state-of-the-art battlefield technology, making it an essential asset in modern warfare. Its local situational awareness system, along with integrated thermal emitters and daylight cameras, provides the crew with a 360-degree view of surroundings, vital for reconnaissance operations. These systems work in tandem with the vehicle's digital architecture, supporting secure communications and real-time data sharing with other units on the battlefield. This integrated approach allows the ARES to play a key role in combined arms operations, ensuring coordinated maneuvers between reconnaissance and combat units. The vehicle's NBC protection system ensures the safety of its occupants in hazardous environments, while a fire detection and suppression system adds another layer of protection. The ARES was developed as part of the British Army's broader effort to modernize its reconnaissance capabilities, supporting scout-equipped troops on the battlefield. Its primary role is to transport specialist reconnaissance units into the field, allowing these troops to quickly dismount and establish observation posts, conduct surveillance, and engage in close target reconnaissance. Once dismounted, the infantry remains connected to the ARES integrated systems, maintaining situational awareness and communication with the rest of the unit. In addition to its role in troop transport and reconnaissance support, the ARES can operate in coordination with other armored vehicles, such as the Ajax Scout, to create a highly mobile and integrated reconnaissance force. This coordination is crucial for combined arms operations, allowing infantry armored and scout units to work together seamlessly. The ARES has been deployed by the British Army as part of the Armored Infantry Brigades, playing a key role in training exercises and operational deployments focused on reconnaissance and rapid troop transport. Its ability to integrate with the Ajax family and other British Army assets has made it a valuable tool in NATO exercises and multinational training missions aimed at enhancing interoperability. Though its operational history is still developing, the ARES has already been field tested in a variety of environments, from urban combat zones to rugged wilderness areas, demonstrating its versatility and reliability. It is expected to continue serving in reconnaissance and support roles as part of Britain's Army 2025 modernization program, designed to enhance the force's mobility, protection, and digital capabilities.